Hey everyone, welcome back to Brand Intel. We are digging deep into the latest innovation from the world's most popular brands. In today's video, we are diving into the latest version of Chatgpt, the AI language model that has been making waves since its launch. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or someone curious about AI, this video is for you. This video will break down what's new, what's improved, and how it can benefit you. So let's jump right in. Before we get into the latest features, let's take a step back for those who might be new here. Chatgpt is a conversational AI developed by OpenAI. Since its launch, it's been used for everything from customer support and content creation to learning assistance and beyond. Chatgpt can generate human-like text based on the input it receives, making it an incredible versatile tool for various industries. In its earlier version, Chatgpt impressed us with its ability to simulate conversation, answer questions, and assist in creative tasks. But now, the latest version has even more to offer. So what's new in the latest 2024 version of Chatgpt? Let's break down the features and improvements. First on the list is the multimodal capabilities. One of the most exciting updates is that Chatgpt is now multimodal. This means it can process not just text but also images and even audios. You can show Chatgpt an image and it will describe it or analyze it for you. You can also speak to it directly and it will understand and respond based on your voice input. The second on the list is longer context handling. Another major improvement is its ability to handle much longer conversations. Earlier version had a limited memory span, but now Chatgpt can remember context and keep track of conversations that last much longer. This is especially useful for tasks that require continuous interaction, like long brainstorming sessions or detailed project discussions. The third on the list is improved coding assistance. For the developers out there, Chatgpt coding abilities have been enhanced. It can now write, debug, and optimize code more effectively. Whether you're working in Python, JavaScript, or even more specialized languages, the new version offers more detailed and accurate coding assistance. The fourth on the list is the customization options. Another exciting feature is the ability to customize Chatgpt's behavior. You can now fine-tune the model based on your needs. For example, you can set it to be more formal or more casual depending on the kind of response you want. This is super useful for businesses looking to maintain a certain brand voice in customer interaction. The fifth on the list is improved accuracy and understanding. Lastly, OpenAI has improved the overall accuracy and understanding capability of Chatgpt. It's now better at following complex instructions and generating more relevant, coherent, and factual responses. Now, let's talk about how you can make the most of this new version of Chatgpt. Whether you're an individual or a business, the use cases are endless. For businesses, Chatgpt can help businesses streamline their customer support, generate content for blogs, social media, and even provide coding assistance for development teams. For creatives, if you're a writer or a creator, Chatgpt can help you brainstorm ideas, develop outlines, and even edit your work. With its new customization features, you can tailor its response to match your creative voice. For developers, the updated coding assistant can help speed up your workflow by writing and optimizing code. And now, with its longer memory, it's ideal for working on large-scale projects. Of course, with all these improvements, there are still some challenges to be aware of. The first is limitation on knowledge cutoff. Chatgpt still has a knowledge cutoff, meaning it's not aware of events or updates after 2023 unless explicitly updated by OpenAI. So if you're looking for real-time information, this could be a limitation. There are also ongoing discussions about the ethical use of AI, especially regarding privacy, bias, and the potential misuse of AI-generated content. As always, it's important to use this technology responsibly. Looking ahead, OpenAI has big plans for ChatGPT, including making it more integrated with other platforms and tools. The goal is to make ChatGPT a more essential tool in everyday life, whether you're using it for work, learning, or personal tasks. So that's a deep dive into the latest version of ChatGPT. It's clear that OpenAI is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, and the possibilities for its use are expanding by the day. What do you think of the new features? Are you excited to try it out? Let's know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brand Intel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech trend and brand reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao!